Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the SpectroCoin Bitcoin debit card. SpectroCoin provides a platform where you can obtain a Bitcoin debit card, bridging the gap between cryptocurrency and everyday spending. This card allows you to convert your Bitcoin holdings into traditional currencies like USD, EUR, or GBP, enabling you to make purchases at millions of merchants worldwide that accept Visa or MasterCard, both online and in physical stores. The SpectroCoin card offers several benefits, including competitive exchange rates and relatively low fees compared to some other crypto debit card options. It also provides a user-friendly mobile app which allows you to manage your card, track your spending, and load funds conveniently. Security is a priority, and the card includes features like two-factor authentication and the ability to freeze your card instantly if lost or stolen. While SpectroCoin offers a valuable service, it's important to be aware of certain considerations. Firstly, the card isn't available in every country, so be sure to check their website for availability in your region. Secondly, there are specific spending limits, and these limits may vary based on your verification level and the chosen card type, either virtual or physical. Understanding these limits is crucial for managing your finances effectively. Getting started with a SpectroCoin Bitcoin debit card involves a straightforward registration process, followed by identity verification. Once verified, you can order your physical card, which will be delivered to your address, or you can opt for a virtual card for immediate online use. The SpectroCoin website and mobile app provide detailed instructions and support throughout the entire process. It's worth noting that there are different card types available, each with its own fee structure, so it's wise to explore these options to find the one that best suits your needs. From personal experience, the process is relatively smooth, and their customer support has been responsive to queries. Overall, SpectroCoin presents a convenient and practical way to utilize your Bitcoin for everyday transactions. Remember to check out the links below for more details. Thanks for watching.